We are happy to have you back for another story. This one's kind of silly, and I think you're going to like it. It's called The Flea's Sneeze. It's written by Lynn Downey, and the illustrator is Carla Firehammer. And as you can see, there's going to be a few animals in the story, and evidently a flea as well. The Flea's Sneeze. There he is. There's some more characters in the story. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog, everyone slept peacefully. But not the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat or the cat or the black-eyed bat or the cow or the owl or the feathered fowl or the dog or the hog or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully. But not the flea. No one heard him. And the words for that are sniffle, sniffle, which is kind of what I was trying to do. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully. But not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? I think his nose is plugged up. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully. But not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, well, that was a big sneeze for a flea. Whew. It scared the rat, who cried, boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed, moo! It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered, moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered, hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed, cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked, woo-woo. He had sprayed the hog, who screamed, ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old, old farm in the rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. And there it goes. The fleas sneeze. And hopefully you don't have any sneezing going on around your house and you're all healthy. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.